Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer to Compound for DeFi lending step by step clearly. To transfer to Compound for DeFi lending, start by setting up a digital wallet. Choose a wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Create an account and securely back up your recovery phrase. After your wallet is set up, fund it with Ethereum. You can purchase Ethereum on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Once you have Ethereum in your wallet, connect it to Compound. Visit the Compound Finance website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet type and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, navigate to the supply section on the Compound interface. Here, you will see a list of available assets to lend. Select the asset you want to lend, such as DAI or USDC. Enter the amount you wish to supply to the protocol. Review the transaction details and confirm the supply. Your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. This might include a gas fee, which you will need to accept. After the transaction is confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain, you are officially lending. Monitor your supplied assets and interest accrual in the Compound dashboard. To withdraw your assets, head to the Withdraw section. Select the asset you wish to retrieve and enter the desired amount. Confirm the withdrawal transaction through your wallet. Wait for the transaction to complete, and your assets will return to your wallet. Now you can manage your assets as needed within the DeFi space. Always remember to keep track of transaction fees and market conditions. Engaging in DeFi lending can be profitable, but it comes with risks. Stay informed and make educated decisions regarding your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.